friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci. Today's video is in collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by two ladies. One, Renee from the channel Oh Taste and See with Renee, Cooking and Entertaining, and Clearissa Coward from the channel A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Now today's video has to do with Fall Kitchen Vignette, and I'd love to show you what I've done in terms of my Fall Kitchen Vignette. If you'd like to see, then let's get in the kitchen. Come with me. Welcome to our kitchen and welcome to our Fall Kitchen Vignette. Now a vignette is one of the easiest things to decorate or to put together for any type of holiday, and the Fall Kitchen Vignette is no exception. It took me less than 5 minutes to put this together, so I just want to share that with you and of course encourage you to get something going for fall. Let's get started. This is the vignette that I've put together, and as you know, a vignette is usually done on a tray. There's not much to it other than put in a couple items on there, and all I've done is put two trays together, one on the right and one on the left. The one on the right has a little bit of fall decor, a plate that has apples, pictures of the apples of course, and then in the middle I have this little container here which is pretty much a fall decor color, and something that says Autumn Blessings. And here we go on this side, not much more, just another tray and of course another plate that has two apples. And this is all I've done. Very simple, very easy, and gives me that decor for fall that I was really looking for. It didn't take much time, and as you can see, mission accomplished. Now let me remind you to hop over to both Renee and to Clearissa's channels, see the playlists that they have, watch the various videos, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to organize a space in your home for fall. Again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.
No matter